In this video, I'm going to talk about Nikto, a tool for vulnerability scanning a web scanner. So just to fire up the command prompt on Kali Linux. In this video, I'm using Kali Linux operating system to run the Nikto operating system, as well I can do from my Windows operating system as well, but there you will understand better Kali Linux or Linux operating system. So let me run the Nikto. Okay, so let's have a look on the command line options. So currently I am using version 2.1.6. The current version I am using on this display. Some of the advanced option here that we can use when we are attacking on any web server or any website. This tool is basically designed for scanning a vulnerability on websites, and today's our target is all-in-one-market.fz.com. Let me first fire the website. Okay, let me open the website. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so this website is my target, all-in-one market. Okay, so let's scan the website first to know what the vulnerable there. Nikto /tag h for host that we are going to type. As you can see, there is an option to specify your target tag h, or if you want to type the complete host, but I prefer to use a symbol. So just copy the link of a victim. Yeah, paste it here, and let's run the scan. So maybe it will take a few seconds or minute to complete the scan. Okay, so what we found here, target IP is 185.207.134.139. okay, what's the target host name? This is our target host name, the target port they're using, and it's using Nginx server. Okay, and what else? The anti-click checking X-frame option header is not present. Okay, what else? Access protection is not defined. That means the site is vulnerable for access attack. We can also launch this attack by there using V framework, but I'm not going to show you any kind of attack on this video demonstration because it's only for basic about Nikto lab, and I'm not going to perform any attack on this video, so don't get excited too much. And the X content type option here is not set. This could allow the user to render the content of the site in a different fashion to the MIME type. Okay, so let's wait for full scan. I think I have to pause the video because it will take a little long time to complete the scan. Okay, I'll see you back. It's running, not completed well, but we found another one that there is no CGI directories, but we can force check to by tag C. Hope it will take so today I'm a little tired, guys. That's why my voice is not clear, and maybe it's a little heavy. Okay, so where you can find the more web vulnerability scanner tools, so just click on application, go on web application analysis, then click on that, and in the last you can see there is web vulnerability scanner. Just tap on that, and as you can see there is several tools for perform vulnerability scanning, like Cadver, Clustered, Divested, and Paymap, Coalesce, Marrow. So different type of scanner tools are available on Kali Linux. I'm really sick. There is Nikto as well. We are running one. So this is the most popular one, and my favorite one too. But if you know that site is built on WordPress, then you can use VPS scan to scan their vulnerabilities and all those things. And yeah, as you can see, search your own, do your own search and everything, so you can better get your experience. Web server return a valid response with junk HTTP method. This may cause false positives. So we didn't find any um, interesting vulnerabilities. So only one we found that this is vulnerable for access protection attack, and we can perform this by using beef XSS framework or the another kind of application to launch the attack. There is also uh, many tools that you can use for attack, but I don't recommend you to attack unless you got any kind of permission to attack it. Okay, OSTB, Hola, admin, CSS, team attack. We found something like administrator ID and password. Oh, login is equal to true. Now we are finding the vulnerability. Let's check one by one. Basically, I'm not interested to do that because this is only Nikto lab. But let me show you what you can get by those things. Okay, so we got our enter your password to view contents. I mean, you can't see anything for anything without password. So we didn't find anything. Okay, so it's terminated. And what else we found? Gbook may allow admin logging by setting the value login is equal to true or false. It means this is also FBI. It means admin if give you the permission like true or false, then you can access this one. Actually, this is one of my posts that I have marked with password. Like there you can enter, if you didn't enter your password you can't access the content. So that's what they're showing here. So that's all about the Nikto tab. What you can do with Nikto is for vulnerability scanning. Like to have a look on some options up there. Like you can do tag update for update the database and plugin or CIRI virtual host. The one most thing I found the interesting here is tuning. This is a really good thing. And another one is 404 disable 404, like when you search some pages or some pages pop up with 404 not found, but maybe that's not the real issue. So just check one by one or do your own research and have experience about these things. And you can also turn off display and on to see what's going on there. You can use the configure file like too many hosts. You can bind, like you can bind too many hosts in one file, or you can save the file by simply typing tag o the format. You can also choose the documentation. Let me show you how you can document these things by simply double create a slash, whatever your file name, like my file name is dark warrior txt. So it's running a scan and it will gonna save on warrior.txt. Okay guys, so that's it for today. I will see you in the next tutorial.